Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the gang, boo. I'm so glad that you can meet me on such a special occasion as I will be reviewing this lovely wig that I have on now, and I'm so excited to give you guys all the details on this wig. But before we get into that, make sure that you are following me on all of my social media accounts on Instagram and of course Snapchat. I am on Snapchat on a daily basis, so if you want to see what my crazy butt be up to when I'm off of YouTube and in my personal life, then you definitely want to follow me on Snapchat. So yeah, so this wig is very versatile. So if you're looking for a wig that's versatile, that's human hair, and this is human hair blend, it says, but it's still on the synthetic wig spectrum, I guess you can say. But yeah, so this is what the hairline is looking like, you guys. It looks very, very natural. It has a lot of volume in it, a lot of body, and I absolutely love this wig. I did not cut this hair. I have not styled this hair in any way, shape, or form. Literally, the only thing that I did to this hair was this right here and this right here. I have not done anything else. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, ladies, so here's the wig, okay? So I purchased this wig from Eden Beauty, which is a local beauty supply store here in LA. And I seen this wig, girl, and I was like, yes, ma'am. So this is the little package that it comes in. You guys can see a little better back here. So this is the package that it comes in. I'm going to be putting this on with you guys. So we're gonna open this up. Where do you open it? Okay, so it opens up in the back. Fresh out of the pack, boo. Bam. So here it is, girl. And I was kind of hesitant to get this color because I'm like, I don't know, gray hair, I don't know. But sometimes you got to take risk, and that's what being a tastemaker is all about. Taking the risk and just saying, you know what, I might be afraid to do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So right now I'm just taking it out of all of the packaging. It comes in all of this stuff to keep it, you know, nicely wrapped. I'm just gonna throw everything out. I don't know what the hell this is from. Okay. This is another little piece that goes inside. I mean, they package this thing up really good. Really good. So it comes with a net. Go ahead and take that net off. Y'all see the color. It's straight up gray hair. This is charcoal is what they called it. So this is the last little piece that goes on over the circumference. Here's the lace. Here's the inside of it. It does have combs. Okay, so it has some combs, and it feels really full too. That's what I like about it too. So here is the lace area. It's a decent amount of lace, if you ask me. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off, cut the tag off, so we can put this bad boy on. Okay, so that's off. Bam. So here it is. Here's the wig. So I'm not gonna adjust it at all. I'm just gonna put it on and see what happens. Oh, I got some hair in my eye. Hold on. Some hair in my eye somewhere. Oh, it's a piece of hair stuck under here. Let me do this again. Hold on. I don't know why I act like I can't put on a wig. How many wigs I done put on. Okay. 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 So, just want to see what it's looking like. Okay, well, this is what it's looking like so far. Go ahead and flip it over to the side. I just got to figure out which side I want it on. But I really like this. I might not do baby hairs in this wig. I might leave it as is. We'll see. So yeah, I like that. Bam. Pull the rest of the hair in front. It's not thick at all. It's very thin. So if you're looking for a thick wig, this probably won't be the wig for you. This is how thick. This is all the hair up front. So it's not a lot of hair. So if you want a really full wig, you probably won't like this one because it's not that full. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off, And I do have my blow dryer here, so that's how we'll be adhering this. But I do like the fact that I can just pretty much put this hair on any side. So yeah, that's what I love about it. So yeah, here is the blow dryer I'm gonna be using. And then I'm also gonna be using the Got to Be Glued hairspray. I only got the gel because I was thinking like I might do baby hairs, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm probably not gonna do any baby hairs. Might do like very few, but I don't know. I feel like this looks best without it, in my opinion. I feel like it would look better if I don't do any baby hairs. So yeah. Oh, this is a good, girl, this is a look, honey, okay? So let's go ahead and cut the lace off. And I'm just using these really big scissors like this. And let me actually scoot up some more for y'all. So I'm just gonna start right here, right where the lace starts. It's kind of hard to do this. You guys know how to cut lace off, right? Do I really need to? Lord. So I went ahead and cut all of the lace off, the extra lace. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the spray like on my hairline. Hopefully this don't mess up my, Lord. I'm trying to decide if I want to. It's such a difficult decision because I don't want to use both because I don't like when it gets crusty. But I might have to use the gel. Because the only reason why I don't want to use the spray right now, because I feel like if I use the spray, it's going to get all over my face. So, girl, we're going to go ahead and use the gel. And so what I'm going to do is right here where my hairline is, try to push my hair back a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it right on here. I'm just taking a little on my finger like that, and then I'm just applying it. You don't need all of that, obviously. You don't want to put too much, but I'm gonna put it all on the sides of my hair, all the way down here. Same on this side, just applying it right here where my hairline is. And oh shit. So yeah, just putting it right there. Then I'm gonna get my blow dryer, and I just have it on. I have it on high, and I'm gonna put it on low. I'm just gonna check and see if it's tacky enough. No, it's still a little too wet. Just keep going until I see it's a little stickier. So now I'm gonna get my wig, make sure all the hair is pushed backwards, and starting from the back, just gonna bring it up front and just apply the wig right on there. And I do have a comb, so I'm just gonna use my comb to kind of go on those parts. And all I'm doing is going in with the end of this, and I'm just pressing down. All on the sides, make sure we get them sides. Okay, so I think it's pretty secure. Before I stop though, girl, I love this wig already. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and get my blow dryer and finish this up. I feel like my wig is pretty secure now, so I'm just gonna pull the hair up front. Girl, this hair is everything. Y'all saw, because some of you guys, y'all don't be believing that I be bringing these a wig straight out the box, but honey, look how it looks already, and I haven't even done nothing. I haven't done nothing. What have I done? Bomb. Okay, and it's that freaking easy. That's how I apply the wig, like that easy. So what I am gonna do now is I am gonna do some, I don't even know, do I want to do baby hairs or not? Let me see what it looked like with a middle part. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my little comb, make like a little part. It's not a lot of parting space with this wig because it's not really meant to be worn as, you know, like that. Where's the card? So this is how the wig looks here, and then this is how it looks here, honey. Yes, I've never done like gray hair. I always wanted to try it, but girl, yes. And then some of you guys probably want to know where it hits me. So it goes all the way down here. Let me pull it to the back. So it goes all the way down to my butt, pretty much. There you have it. Okay. So, and it seemed like no matter how many times like I run my finger through this hair, like you guys see, I can literally run my finger through this hair. Run it through this hair. And look at that. And look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Wow. I do have some stuff like stuck to my face. So as far as styling this hair, you can style this hair any way. Like, I'm so blown away. Look at this. So if you guys wanted to, you can definitely do some baby hairs, but me personally, I kind of just, I don't know if I want to do them because I'm just so like, Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to try and do some baby hairs on this wig. I love this doggone wig. Okay, so when you're doing baby hairs, I would suggest to use a rat tail comb like such. You definitely don't want to use a regular comb because you don't want to bring that much hair out. You know what I'm saying? Okay, you guys, so I did one little piece of a baby hair right there just to test it out and see if that's what I want. And I do feel as though, let me fix my color here. I do feel as though it makes it look a little bit better. So I think I am gonna do just a little bit of baby hairs, but all I did was just took like a little piece from here and just swooped it over. It's not even permanent yet. But I am gonna make it permanent right now by getting a little bit of this glue, got to be glue gel, and then just putting it on top of that in direction. And I just pretty much combed the hair back. I didn't even cut it. So I just took some little couple of strands right there. Gotta use an old toothbrush, y'all. Classic baby hair move. So see, and I just brush that down. Okay, and that's good for me right there. Let me fix this though. Okay, and then I'm just gonna blow dry that piece. That looks good. So I'm just gonna take this and go through like such. It's almost too much hair. Okay. Okay, that's good. And then, oh, the color is off with it. Take some more gel. Got me looking fucking crazy. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna take the gel. Typically I will wet this first and then get the gel, but it's okay. So now I'm just gonna go and just slick this into the rest of the hair. Like that. Okay, take a step back, see how I like it. I might try to smooth this a little more. that. Okay. Okay. Okay, you guys, so this is what I'm working with right now. This is what the hairline is looking like. This hair is really, really soft. I love this hair so much. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look for the wig. I absolutely love this wig. And here is the hairline. You can get up close up on there. I probably could secure this little piece right there a little better, but other than that, I mean, it's fine. Here's what this side is looking like. Okay, this side. So I have it in the middle now, but obviously with this hair, you can wear it on this side if you wanted to. Really easy. Just go ahead and kind of finger comb the hair. You can wear it off to the side like this. You can wear it on this side. I mean, you can do a lot with this hair. I love the way that they cut this hair because it's so easy to do exactly that. When it comes to hair, a lot of times it's just all about the cut. Now, like I said, this hair has no tangling in it. Very smooth to run your fingers through. This is almost like virgin hair. Now on camera it looks black, but it's really gray. It's a charcoal gray color. And yeah, you guys, and it looks really natural despite this little area right here. You know, I think it looks pretty doggone natural. I would say this wig is possibly maybe about like 24 inches or so. It doesn't say how many inches it is like on the box or anything like that. You guys see you can wear off to the side. I mean, I'm giving you guys looks, okay? I'm giving you guys looks with this wig. And no matter how many times, like, look how I move. I mean, it's sticking to my lip gloss, but look. What? So this is a lace front wig by Bobbi Boss, and this is in the style Mina. It is a human hair blend wig. So it does say it's human hair blend. But it's not completely human hair, and that probably explains why it feels how it feels. It is also safe to heat. So it says here premium high heat fiber, so you can definitely straighten this wig if you needed to or do something different. But honestly, this wig, you really don't need to do anything to it. I literally put it on and haven't done nothing to it. This wig is bomb. And I feel like I look better with this wig on than she does. Like, she kind of look a mess. Like, and I don't look like that. Like, girl, what? Okay, what? I'm not sure if you can bleach the knots on a synthetic wig. Personally, I wouldn't try that because I don't know how the bleach works with synthetic human hair-esque blend hair. So I wouldn't try doing that. I mean, I guess you could if you wanted to. But me personally, I'm not gonna do that. I spent $100 on this wig, you guys. This is the most I've ever spent on a wig. Typically, the wigs that I get are like $50, but the links that I give you online are a lot cheaper. This wig online is $50, but I spent $100 for it. So just an FYI. But like I said, you guys, this wig is very natural looking. If you do want a lace front wig, I think this is the way to go. It's very affordable, and you definitely have good quality hair for a very affordable price. Now I really want you guys to get the true color of this wig because on camera it just looks like it's black, but it's really gray. This is gray hair. Can you guys see if this is gray hair? I hope you guys can tell that this is gray hair on camera, because it is a charcoal color. And if you guys love hair reviews, I would definitely say to check out some of my other hair reviews. I have tons and tons of them now. So if you wanted to binge watch some of my other hair reviews, you should definitely check it out. I do have a playlist here on my channel on my main page. So just go check out the home page on my channel and you will see a hair review playlist for you guys there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.